The standard color coding for thermostat wires assigns specific functions to colored conductors, so installations, troubleshooting, and upgrades are consistent and safer. Thermostat wiring typically uses a 24-volt power circuit where the red conductor provides power from the furnace or air handler, and the blue conductor most often serves as the common return for the transformer. Always verify that blue is the common at the control board because installers sometimes repurpose colors. The green conductor controls the fan relay, so when the thermostat calls for fan, only the green circuit energizes the blower relay, and the yellow conductor drives the compressor contactor, so it must be continuous and free of shorts for cooling to operate reliably. The white conductor is used for heat, calling the primary heating control, whether that is gas, electric, or heat pump auxiliary heat, and some systems label one white as heat and another as auxiliary, so map each wire to its terminal. Heat pump systems add an orange or blue reversing valve conductor, often labeled O or B, which energizes the valve to switch between heating and cooling modes. Confirm whether your compressor uses O for energize in cooling or B for energize in heating because manufacturers differ. When adding a common conductor to power smart thermostats, run a dedicated conductor back to the control board and clamp it to the actual common terminal rather than tying into other circuits, and test with a multimeter to confirm 24 volts between red and common before finalizing. Label both ends of every conductor with clear tags or tape, take a photo of the wiring before disconnecting, and document terminal designations so future homeowners or technicians know which color maps to which function. Common mistakes start with assuming colors are correct without testing, which causes miswired systems. Always measure voltage and trace each conductor to the control board before connecting. Another frequent issue is using a single conductor for multiple functions during retrofit, which leads to intermittent faults. Run a dedicated wire for each control or use a proper adapter designed for the application. A third problem is failing to secure and label spare conductors, which makes later upgrades confusing. Leave unused conductors neatly capped, labeled, and recorded in your wiring diagram, so adding a smart thermostat or zoning control is straightforward. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and contractors can find work by listing services and responding to local project posts. We also host an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange wiring tips, troubleshooting steps, and photos to keep projects moving smoothly.